A wreath is a circular arrangement of flowers, leaves, or other materials, often used as decoration for doors, walls, or special occasions. It can also refer to a symbolic circle used in ceremonies or celebrations, representing eternity or unity. Simple meaning. Wreath equals a circular decoration made from flowers, leaves, or other materials. Common uses. Wreath noun. Decoration. A circular arrangement of flowers, leaves, or branches used for decoration. Example, she hung a beautiful wreath on the door for Christmas. Wreath noun. Ceremonial. A circular symbol used in ceremonies often made of flowers to represent unity, remembrance, or celebration. Example, the wreath was placed at the memorial to honor fallen soldiers. Wreath noun. Funeral. A wreath used at funerals, symbolizing remembrance and respect for the deceased. Example, they placed a wreath on the grave to pay their respects. Examples in daily use. The front door was decorated with a festive wreath for the holidays. A wreath of flowers was laid at the site of the memorial service. She created a beautiful wreath from dried flowers to hang in her home. The wreath symbolizes the unity of the community during the celebration. The wreath of flowers at the funeral was a touching tribute to the deceased. Real-life explanation. A wreath is a decorative item that is typically circular in shape and made from flowers, leaves, or other materials. It is often used to celebrate, commemorate, or symbolize important events, like Christmas, weddings, or funerals. The circular shape represents eternity or wholeness,